Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to join Clearpay. So what you're going to have to do is to simply go to clearpay.com, or if you want you can simply download their official app, and then you're going to have to simply click on sign up. So as you can see, I'm on their official website, so you're going to see the sign up button in the top right corner, and then after that you're going to get redirected here. So as you can see, they're going to ask you to get the app. So you're going to have to download the App Store or Google Play Store app, and then you're going to be able to basically join, and then you can basically use to pay later. So you can get items, so let's say they are $100, and you're going to have to pay like $25 now, and then next month another 25 until you pay the entire product. So basically it's a really good app, and basically this is how you can join Clearpay. So you're going to have to download their official app and then simply sign up. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.